everybody. We are here today for a great cause, and as I heard about the cancer, that 14 lakhs people every year diagnosed with the cancer. It's a great cause of concern, and as an individual, we have to take forward a step and do something to spread the information that cancer is a curable if it is detected on an early age. As a part of the Rushi team, as in this movie is not about exactly the cancer but a disease where we go through a problem and we go through a social trauma. We understand that if something happened to anybody in your family, how much is a trouble for you, how much you have to go through the pain, because if anybody in your family is troubled because of this, entire family go through so much of emotional trauma and you really feel bad about it. So I feel that as an individual, you should always pass it on the information to the surroundings, that if something can be done about it, it's really great. And our team, because we are talking on such an important issue, we want to be a part of this event, as in we got a chance to talk about it. So I just want to say that every individual can be very important, and if they are doing their part, if they are spreading this information to the world that cancer, if can be detected on the early stage, it can be completely curable, it's a great reason. See, this film is very much is like talking about this issue, and I as a person, as in the character which I am playing in this film, Pooja, is gone through so much pain. So I individually have gone through that pain, and I understand that if something happened, it's really a great concern. Like, you feel like you lost your life, and you feel so much of pain that nobody can understand until and unless you go through that pain. So as in I gone through this pain, so I can explain to the world that we should do something about it to spread this information to the world, to the people, that we should pass it on this information. Something or other should be done from our part, so that the other person should not be affected because of this. If it can be diagnosed early, the people's life can be saved. And if you are saving an individual life, you are saving a family, because ultimately it's individual is related to a family. I'll say an example, like my Buama was suffering from a breast cancer and she died because of that. And I've seen that how that entire family got disturbed because of that. My brother was so attached to her mom. After her dad, like, he could not able to make his career properly. He like completely lost it. So I can understand that pain, and I just want to make an effort and do my part and to spread this information that we should try hard and we should do something about it, that we can spread this information. So this is really important from our side. And as from our team, the Raj, the guy who made this amazing film about this topic, because generally we see the film, they don't talk about and they don't take such issues and make a film. But I sincerely thank Raj that he has taken such issue and he makes such film and taken an effort to make such film and shown to the world that this is something, social cause should be a topic for the film, and we should make such film and make people aware about it. So I'm really thankful to the Raj that he taken such an important decision and he's taking such project, and he made it really well, and I hope you guys gonna like it. This movie is gonna release on 10th of February, so I feel that all people should watch it and will able to connect to the film, that what exactly the emotion we all are going through while shooting the film. And as an individual, Supriya, I would like to say that please and please, everybody should pass it on to the information to the world and should do their bit to support this. And this is a really great concern. So many people are dying because of this. So everybody should do their part to educate to the people. Thank you so much.